Hey guys, today we're making crepes. In a bowl, combine your flour, baking powder, and sugar and mix well using a whisk. Then add in your egg and vanilla, and while you beat this, gradually add in your milk. When you get the batter to the consistency of a pancake batter, add in your butter and mix through well. Then add in the rest of your milk and beat till completely incorporated. Then in a pan on high heat, spray with some non-stick spray and add in 2 ladlefuls of the batter. That's equivalent to about half a cup. Allow it to cook on high for about 60 seconds and you'll notice these bubbles start to form. Then loosen one edge and slip your spatula underneath and flip it over really quickly. Allow it to fry for an additional 30 seconds and then turn it out onto your serving plate. So you could use it just like this, eat it plain or with some cinnamon sugar. You could even use some Nutella, but I'm using some jam. And then you just spread it out. And then I added in some cream and rolled it up as a Swiss roll. You don't even need to cut it, but I did just to show you the inside. Enjoy!